Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make machine design in SolidWorks 2025. We learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Now draw the horizontal line and vertical and horizontal and vertical and horizontal. Select. Now this point and this point join. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This line dimension 180 and this line dimension 80. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now go to here from mid plane. Now give the value 70. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. Now give the dimension. This line and this line dimension 32. Okay. Now this line and this line dimension 35. Okay. Now this line and this line dimension 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the hair sketch. Now vertical and horizontal and vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. This one and this one connect. Now select line and midpoint, control this point vertical. Now again here this line midpoint, control this point vertical. Okay. Now give the value here. This line and this line dimension 20. Now again here no need here. Now this line dimension sorry, this line and this line dimension 22. This line and this line distance 22. Okay. Now this line height 20 and this line height same 20. Select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select roll. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now here draw the line. Select. Now go to here select arc. This point and this point select. Okay. Now these are dimension radius 28. Okay. This point and this line distance 50. Okay. This line dimension 2. This line dimension 4. Okay. Now this point and this point and this point line connect. Now go to isometric view and feature and select extrude card. Now select here. Blind select and select here. Now here problem. This line connect here. Okay. Now go to normal tool and delete this arc. Now go to again arc select. Just move here. Now give the value this arc 28. Now this line no value. Okay, select. Now just move here. This point control this point horizontal. No problem. This point control this line coincident. Go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to here select roll. Now go to again isometric view. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now here exit. This plane, this face and sketch. Now here draw the circle. Now draw the circle here. Select. This point and this line dimension 55. Okay. Now this circle dimension 30. Select. Now this point control this point vertical. Vertical. Now this point and this point, this point, and this point, and this point, and this point. Select. Now go to trim tools, cut here. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude cut. Now here extrude cut up to next. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here again. Now give the value 50. 50. Okay. Now go to feature and select isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude cut through all or up to next. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plain white. Now go to here select metal. Now here select lead. Now select here cast lead. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our machine. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.